Hi guys, I'm telling you today one very good website where you can earn money. This is the website for the beginners who are not making any money in the online, but definitely from this site you can make a good sum of the money. So this is the website. It's called followfast.com. Just go in there and sign up the website. Then what you have to do is add website fan page like Facebook. You have to add your Facebook website with the profile, and as well as YouTube, then Instagram, Twitter, Google boards, whatsoever. Then you have to come here, log in, and like this way you have to make income on the Facebook site. Then they show points here. You can see the points. What you have to do, share, then your Facebook page will come up, and you have to just post it. After that, automatically you got on point here. You got on point here. Just take a few seconds so you can see 49 point added to your balance. Then when you gotta cash out, then you have to go here. As you can see, it's a payment method. They have PayPal, PM, Payer, Bitcoin. So choose any of one which is comfortable for you. You can cash out from Bitcoin, you can cash out from PayPal, PM, Payer, whatsoever. So they just paying. As you see, you can see the money in there. So this is the site. 1.5 for PayPal, 1.5 for withdraw. When you reach this amount, you can withdraw, or you can take more withdraw, and they have a 3-5 days or less you can cash out the money. So here I have lots of work, like you can see, play the video, like watching the video. You can watching the video and also can earn big money. So every day you can make money. That's guaranteed, as I am also doing the same thing. So you can too. It's very easy and simple. So what you're gonna do, just click on my videos and subscribe, and I will give you more site like this, so you can earn money, no problem at all. So here I have to play the video. Just nothing to do. See the video. You have to watch 30 minutes at all. That's it. That's you can do. Nothing. You have to do anything more. What you have to do? Just 30 minutes. So any people who don't have any knowledge at all, he can earn money from this site. Or you have any question, just send me message, and I will give you step by step exactly what you can do and how you can earn money. That's it. I think it will be very helpful for who haven't earned money, single money from online, but it will help them and makes them to move in. Next, I already got 30 seconds, so I just close it and see my points. I got 10 points. So this is the way you can make money, no problem. If you guys have any question, then call me, and don't forget to subscribe my video. I will be there and come up with you with the very next video which you can make money. Thank you.